welcome to the Kinder Cafe. And it looks like my owl friend has brought me a note. It looks like it's a request. They wanted me to show them how to make something healthy and portable. Well, not only will I be doing that, I will also be teleporting around not only this room, but others. Teleportation only. Today we'll be making a fruity hot dog. You'll need these ingredients. Honey. I have raw honey. A banana. Peanut butter. Hot dog buns. Teleportation only. Step 1. Pull your banana. Teleportation only. The second step is to open your bun and put your peanut butter on. Teleportation only. The next step is to take your hot dog bun and put your banana in. Teleportation only. The last step is take your honey and drizzle it.